Powtoon tutorial for beginners, how to make videos on Powtoon. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Powtoon and how you can make videos and animations online in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And Powtoons is significantly and potentially better than Doodly. So we're going to be talking about it in great depth. Now, obviously, we know that Doodly is a very famous animation and video maker online, but Powtoon is on the rise, and what better time to make a tutorial video on it? So basically, to get started with Powtoon, you're going to come over to your Google and you're going to search up Powtoon. So you're going to go over to powtoon.com. Here you can see Powtoon Video Maker. Now, once you load into the main Powtoon page, you can see create jaw-dropping videos and presentations, harness the power of tunes to bring your message to life, making your viewers say, got it, with a little extra pow. What a great way to say things. We can see that it's used by a lot of great companies like Coca-Cola, you have Pfizer, eBay, Costco, you have your Starbucks, Cisco, and a whole lot more. So, really incredible, really easy stuff to get your head around. Now, to start things off, basically what we are going to do is we're going to sign up. Okay, and the sign up process is really simple. Just go over, click on sign up, or you can just click on start now from here. And once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you for your email and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and add an email over here. So once you've added an email, click on continue. It's going to ask you for your name and stuff. So just go ahead and add that. And then we are going to go ahead and set a password for ourselves. Now, once you've set a password, go ahead and click on create my account. And once you click on create my account, here you go. So it says you're so close to creating something awesome. Just go ahead and verify your email. And here you can see it gives you the email verification. So we're just going to go ahead and click on confirm and continue. Now, once you click on confirm, it takes you again into the simple workings in the Powtoon workspace. So here you go. Let's begin with a few simple steps to personalize your actual experience. Now, obviously, to personalize your experience, you're going to click on Let's Start, and it takes you through the whole thing. So I would like to create videos and visual content. So it could be for personal needs, nonprofit, education, business work, whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go with personal needs for now. And you can create content for social media, website, resumes. I'm going to go with social media. And once you've gone with social media, click on next. And this is your basic Powtoon dashboard. Now, your Powtoon dashboard is a lot like Doodly, so if you've used Doodly, you're, gonna get a very good idea of how the stuff is supposed to work. Now, there's a few things that you need to, get to your head. So there's the animated explainer that you can use, then there's the video creator, the social media handler, the character builder, where you can build an animated character that you can use in videos, text to speech, screen recording, presentation, and whiteboard. Then obviously you can use these features to, start something awesome, create something awesome, and they also have terrific templates that you can use, which is also pretty incredible. So I'm going to go ahead on video first. And once you come to video, it's going to take you through the video workspace where it gives you all these different types of, templates that you can start off with. So let's say I'm going to go with this template and I'm going to click on edit in studio, and it's going to take me to the studio to actually edit videos. So it loads us into the video editor. And as I load in, I'm going to start explaining the, shenanigans and how you can mess around with it. So once the videos are loaded, here you can see most of the things that are fun to make on it. So welcome to the Powtoon Studio. Watch this 2-minute video intro that you can watch if you want to. Um, I'm just going to skip it and click on start creating, and here you are. Now here you can see a lot of things. So this is the create section, this is the edit section. Now in the create section, what you're going to do is you're going to assemble the video. Okay, you're going to assemble different things around it. Add your scenes, add different points in the video that you want to keep in the video. So first of all, there's this section. So 5 tips to, let's see, you want to give 5 tips to let's say understand solar. So you're going to go with that, and as you can see, the text is not fitting in, so you can just go ahead, make the design small until it fits in, and there you go. So 5 tips to understand solar. Now once you go with that, you can switch scenes, and in the switch scenes, you can start switching different things around. You can start talking about different problems with different solutions, and make a proper script for this video. So obviously making a script is the more difficult part. And you can use different scenes from here using their templates that they have. You have different backgrounds. So a background could be, in this background, for example, there's this image that they're using. You can upload your own background. So that's something you can do for yourself as well. Moving on, there's different text widgets that you can add, like different text designs, different fonts, different text styles. There's characters that you can create for yourself that I taught you in the first few seconds. You can add props like emojis, tech and web, hand gestures to, gesture people around the video, give them the point of interest of the video, add different shapes and overlays. You can add images for yourself, which is also pretty incredible, add videos, audios, and a whole lot of other special effects. So pretty simple. And what you're going to do from here is go ahead and export your video once you're done with it, and you can export it. You can share the link for other people to edit it. You can upload it straight to YouTube, export it in MP4. Now, obviously, you're going to need to buy the upper plan for that to use that, but you get the point. Then moving on, I'm going to come back to the workspace section, which is over here. This is the workspace. And in the workspace, what you are going to do is we can see more things that you can create. So as we can see, animated explainer, again, it works the same way as video, character builder. One of the best features is the screen recorder and the text to speech. So the text to speech is obviously an AI, which is pretty incredible, and you will need to buy the business plan. But trust me, this lets you use the text to speech in such incredible ways. And obviously, you can add narrations in the video using the text to speech, and it's a game changer. Like, trust me, you are not going to regret using this feature. It's absolutely incredible, and it absolutely blows my mind on how well it works. So you can use this as well for yourself. Add more things like social media promo videos, marketing strategy videos, animated explainer, etc. So pretty simple stuff. And finally, once you've understood all of that, there comes the pricings. And in the pricings, you can also see that they have three basic pricings. You have the light, the professional, and the business. So the light is $15 per month. Right now I'm on the free trial, obviously, but you can get the light for $15, professional for $40, and business for $125. In business, obviously, you can get the text to speech, custom logo and fonts. In professional, you can get the unlimited premium exports and all. And the light, although like it is a pretty expensive buy if you go for it. So you can see 50 and $190. So pretty expensive. But if you go with the annual, you get a huge discount. So it goes from 190 to $40 per month on annual. Like just imagine. So you get a huge discount, and it's quite the hefty discount. Like imagine you're paying $190 per month for the professional plan, whereas you can only pay $480 for the whole year. So, why not? You should go for it and definitely try it because it's one of the best offers that I've used for video and animation, and it's pretty incredible. So yeah, basically that's about it when it comes to discussing Powtoon. Now, if you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.